Hello friends, welcome to aimstoday YouTube channel. Now let us see IIT-JEE NEET Foundation Chemistry in that matter chapter part 1. First let us say about nature of matter and its physical classification in this topic. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space and can be perceived by our senses. Matter exists in many forms. As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named as matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, plants and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, each thing is made up of matter. Now let us see the classification of matter. As there are so many kinds of matter, a scientific study of matter becomes easier if we classify matter based on some characteristics. Matter can be classified based on two factors. Those are physical classification and chemical classification. So, based on the physical classification, matter can be classified broadly into 5 types. This is based upon the arrangement of molecules in the matter. The next one, chemical classification. In this, matter is classified based upon the purity of molecules. Now let us say about physical classification of matter. Matter is composed of extremely small particles. Based on the arrangement of these particles, matter is mainly divided into 3 types. They are solids, liquids, and gases. First, let us say about solids. In solids, the molecules are closely packed up. Their positions are almost fixed. Here we see the general properties of solids. Solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Generally, solids cannot be compressed. A solid does not flow. A solid expands very little on being heated. Solids have very less interparticular spaces and a very high interparticular attractions. Then let us see about liquids. In liquids, the molecules are not packed as closely as in solids. They are little loosely packed. Here we see the general properties of liquids. A liquid has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of its container. A liquid can be compressed only to a small extent. Liquids can flow. A liquid expands or contracts more than a solid. Liquids have more interparticular spaces and less interparticular attractions compared to solids. Here we say about gases. In gases, the molecules are at a greater distance from one to other as compared to liquids and solids. Here we see general properties of gases. In a gas has neither a fixed volume nor a fixed shape. It assumes the volume and shape of the container in which it is kept. Gases can be compressed to a much larger extent than the solids and the liquids. A gas expands to a greater extent on being heated. Gases freely mix with one another. This property is called diffusion. Gases have very large interparticular spaces and negligible interparticular attractions. And the fourth state of matter is plasma state. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Plasma is similar to the gaseous state. Plasma is made by heating a gas. Atoms and molecules in the gas lose all electrons and form ions and electrons to coexist. This state is called plasma state. The plasma is produced in the sun and stars because of very high temperature. The sun and stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. On the Earth, plasma is naturally occurring in flames, lightning, and the northern and southern lights. The fifth state of matter, which we call as Bose-Einstein Condensate or BEC. In 1924, Albert Einstein and Satyendranath Bose predicted the Bose-Einstein Condensate, which is referred as the fifth state of matter. A Bose-Einstein condensate is a gaseous superfluid phase formed by atoms cooled to temperatures very near to absolute zero. A Bose-Einstein condensate or BEC is a state of matter of a dilute gas of bosons cooled to temperatures very close to absolute zero, that is nearly 0 kelvins or minus 273 degrees Celsius. Under such conditions, a large fraction of atoms collapse into the lowest quantum state, producing a superfluid. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.